Did you know how beneficial lemons can be for your health? Not just a zesty addition to your favorite dishes, lemons are a powerhouse of nutrients and health benefits. From supporting your immune system to enhancing your skin's health, these yellow wonders are a treasure trove of natural health solutions. They offer an array of uses that extend far beyond the culinary world. So, if you're one to seek out nature's gifts for your well-being, lemons certainly deserve your attention. Join us as we delve into the top 10 benefits of lemons for your health. At number 10, lemons can aid in weight loss. You see, these citrus wonders are packed with pectin fiber. This isn't just any ordinary fiber, it's a unique type that interacts with your body to slow digestion, helping you feel full for longer. It's like having a secret ally in your battle against those pesky hunger cravings. And when your appetite is under control, you're more likely to stick to your diet plan. So, if you're on a weight loss journey, a lemon might be your best friend. Coming in at number 9, lemons promote healthy skin. They are a rich source of vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that battles against free radicals causing skin damage. The vitamin C in lemons not only helps to reduce skin wrinkling and dry skin from aging, but it also protects the skin against damage from the sun. Lemons, with their high vitamin C content, aid in collagen production, which is essential for maintaining skin elasticity and youthfulness. So, for that youthful glow, consider adding lemons to your diet. At number 8, lemons aid in digestion. Their inherent acidity works wonders in our body, much like our natural gastric juices. This citric acid not only helps break down food, making it easier to digest, but it also encourages healthy digestion in general. Lemons can even help alleviate constipation, making them a natural and tasty remedy. So if you're looking for an easy way to enhance your digestive health, don't look further than your fruit bowl. So, for a healthy gut, squeeze some lemon into your water. Number 7 on our list, lemons can freshen your breath. Imagine this. The acidity in lemons is a natural enemy to the bacteria that causes bad breath. When life hands you lemons, you can turn them into an instant breath freshener. The citric acid in the lemon neutralizes the odor-causing bacteria, leaving your breath smelling clean and citrusy. So the next time you're caught without a mint or two, don't fret. Pop a slice of lemon instead. Next time you're out of mints, try a slice of lemon. Coming in at number 6, lemons can boost your immunity. Packed with a hefty dose of vitamin C, lemons work wonders to strengthen your immune system. This vitamin is known to increase the production of white blood cells, the body's primary line of defense against infections and diseases. By consuming lemons regularly, you're not only treating your taste buds, but also fortifying your body's natural defenses. So, next time you're reaching for a snack, consider a lemon. For a strong defense against colds, make lemons a part of your diet. Number 5 on our list, lemons can help prevent kidney stones. The secret lies in the citric acid found in these yellow wonders. This citric acid does a splendid job of increasing urine volume. More urine means the kidneys are flushing out more waste, reducing the chance of those pesky stones forming. Think of it as a natural rinse for your internal pipes. So if you're aiming for kidney health, lemons could be your new best friend. To keep your kidneys healthy, don't forget to add lemons to your diet. At number 4, lemons enhance iron absorption. How, you might wonder? Well, it's all thanks to the vitamin C content of these zesty fruits. Vitamin C does a remarkable job of improving the absorption of iron from the foods you eat. This is particularly important as it helps prevent conditions like anemia, where the body is iron deficient. It's a simple, natural way to boost your body's iron absorption. So to get the most out of your meals, consider adding a squeeze of lemon. Coming in at number 3, lemons are high in vitamin C. This yellow citrus fruit is a powerhouse of this essential nutrient, packing a punch that can help strengthen your immunity and brighten your skin. Vitamin C is also a friend to your heart, playing a vital role in reducing your risk of heart disease and stroke. It's one of the main reasons why lemons have been used in traditional medicine for centuries. So when you're in need of a vitamin C boost, remember, nothing beats a fresh lemon. Number 2 on our list, lemons can improve heart health. Thanks to their high vitamin C content, lemons are a powerhouse for the heart. This essential nutrient is linked with reducing the risk of heart disease and stroke. It does this by lowering blood pressure and decreasing levels of low-density lipoprotein, the bad cholesterol. It's not a magic bullet, but it's a simple, natural way to give your heart a helping hand. For a healthy heart, incorporate lemons into your diet. And finally, at number 1, lemons are great for hydration. When life gives you lemons, add them to your water. Not only do they enhance the taste, making it more appealing to drink, but they also boost hydration. Lemons provide necessary electrolytes such as potassium, calcium and magnesium that help maintain fluid balance in the body. This simple addition can make a world of difference in your hydration levels. So, to stay hydrated, consider starting your day with a glass of lemon water. And there you have it, the top 10 benefits of lemons for your health. From aiding in weight loss, promoting skin and digestive health, to freshening breath, boosting immunity, preventing kidney stones, enhancing iron absorption, being high in vitamin C, improving heart health, and keeping you hydrated. It's clear that incorporating this citrus wonder into your diet can bring a wealth of health benefits. Remember, when life gives you lemons, it's for your health's sake. Until next time, stay healthy.